This video is a guide and walkthrough of the Pre-Farm Gate Waste for Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry interactive dashboard. This is the landing page you'll see when you first open the dashboard. Here we've included definitions to help interpret the data, key information on data limitations, and links at the bottom to previous reports for anyone wanting more detail on methods or baseline data collection. To view the data and to navigate the dashboard, there are buttons at the bottom of the page. From here, click on National Data. As explained in the overview video, the data is presented across different geographic areas, primary sectors, and waste types. This main page shows national level data across all primary sectors. In the top left, you can filter by state, selecting one or more to focus on, and the dashboard will adjust accordingly. Across the page, you will see total waste and its percentage share relative to total volume of waste produced, a breakdown of waste type, organic, plastic and workshop, volume and percentage share of waste production by primary sector, and a heat map which can toggle between tonnes per hectare or total tonnes of waste through the button at the top right. This allows you to investigate which areas are producing the most, either proportionally or in absolute terms. Scrolling further, we provide more detailed data, a breakdown of waste groups within each category, and information on the fate of the waste produced, on the right here. Again, links to supporting reports are included at the bottom. From here, you can explore the data in more detail by moving into the primary sector pages. All primary sector pages except fisheries and forestry follow the same format due to data deficiency in these two sectors. On a primary sector page, you can drill down from state to SA2 region through the filter in the top left of the page. You can also focus on individual waste types through the filter in the top right, with all data updating accordingly. The sector page provides total waste for the selected geographic regions, graphs showing the values of each waste group, a pie chart of waste production by type, a list of the top 20 SA2 regions by waste value on the left there, and tables showing the raw numbers behind the graphs in the bottom right. Moving down to an industry level, data is restricted to state view only through the filter in the top left. This is done to avoid identifying individual producers in areas where there are very few. The industry page provides the same set of visuals as the sector page minus the list of top producing regions. They show total and percentage waste by geographic area, graphs showing the values of each waste group, a pie chart of waste production by type, and detailed data tables. That concludes the walkthrough of the Pre-Farm Gate Waste Power BI dashboard. Thank you.